Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to pause the Thumbtack account on a device. Now if you want to pause the Thumbtack account on a device but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now Thumbtack is an American home service website and it is an online platform that helps users to search for the rate, hire local services providers to work on the variety of the personal projects of theirs. Now to pause your Thumbtack account, make sure that you have installed the app. So if you don't know where to install it from, you may install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, you just need to open the Thumbtack app on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So this is the home page of Thumbtack, where you'll see various options on the bottom taskbar as well as profile icon at the very top right. Now to pause your Thumbtack account, you just need to tap on the profile icon, and here you will see the option of account, notifications and all of it. So click on the option of account, and under account you just need to click on the option of deactivate account. So after clicking on the option of deactivate account, it takes you to another page or lands you to the another page of the deactivation account. So from here you just need to choose the reason for your account deactivation, which is also an optional step. So if you want to keep, you may click on it, but if you don't want, you may click on the small square next to the option of I want to confirm, I want to delete my account. So after clicking on it, you may click on the option of deactivate account, and by doing all of it, you will be able to pause the account of your Thumbtack. So that's it. That's how you can pause the Thumbtack account. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.